Wasukuma waliokuma utongoi silikali nene na uende onaitina wa President William Ruto kusevya silikali nzao ya broad-based. Ayumbe na amemba nzamani ya mathau menda President William Ruto enukye Aandiki Atinika miviani yonthe yiiweta aingi nimaemetwe mwiana kisyiiyi kinene cha mwiana wa uthukumi wa utongoi wa silikali ya Kenya Kwanza. Ripoti yake Benjamin Mwaka.
Zama ya mbunge ya mathau mathau niyo yambe yukumile wase woyo ulwa vata wa President William Ruto kusukumizia mawaluku nthini wa miana ya ma-PS yiiweta vena vata ivindani ya silikali ya broad-based. President William Ruto enukye Aandiki Atinika miviani na aliete sula impya mianani iyo.
Mr. President, you dissolved cabinet and you left the PSs in office. It is high time you send all the PSs home and give Kenyans people who can work.
Zama yiiweta ma-PS aingi nimakumete uyani na meithu wa kisyiiyi kinene nthini uthukumi mwailu wa silikali na kivoko chambe yenda kimuvalukile PS wa maundu ma mathau engineer Peter Tum.
And I want to call upon all the other committees of parliament in the National Assembly. We must do our role of representation and oversight with vigor and seriousness.
PS Tum is playing something you can call the Russian roulette with our youth. PS Tum has shown time and again he's putting his stomach before our youth.
It's the high time, I think, the PS steps aside and leaves the position of the PS of sports to someone who is capable of doing his work. Because we can't be sitting here just to be managed. Now we say enough is enough.
Zama kwambe wa mavinda tatu ni mwitite Tum mbe wayo vate usongio ivindani makulyo kwenye maskuli memwana ma mathau vamwana withianu wa mitumililo vyasya kwa kaiwanza maende kwingi vya kito vate na usongio.
We do not have any stadia complete even up to today. We have matches Kenya has got to go and play in other countries. We cannot allow that. So either the PS and his team and the CEOs perform, or we tell them to resign.
This sport academy is one of the projects that, we spoke about it, we discussed, debated and agreed that before 3 years end, this will be done with this project. But up to today, they have been taking us round and we have no time to waste.
I take the sports academies very serious. It will keep the youth busy and it will expose their talent. They will get jobs. Why should anybody start dilly-dallying, dodging, being crafty with such a serious initiative? So the PS Tum is evidently incapable of running his office well.
Ingi zama yiiweta hivi itikilia President William Ruto haende kuitwa mulusani na mundu wa uvungu ila ne maofisa make makumete uyani.
And we cannot again accept to see the president being embarrassed. It is totally unacceptable. We are his foot soldiers and we want to say that we will not accept. We are going to start with this ministry that we have to make the PS or even any other person to pack up and go.
This committee should take action. We should summon him to attend this committee. And if he doesn't, I was saying we should fine him.
All said and done, members, I agree with the sentiments. The Secretariat do the letters immediately, summoning the CS, the PS, the CEO Sports Fund, the CEO Kenya Academy of Sports, to appear before us next week on Tuesday, so that we execute this matter of the Post Academy conclusively, so that we also protect the name of the president, not to be called a liar, because the president has already pronounced himself on the construction of sports academies across the country.
Vilingo mauvo kumavaka ontini lovie. Nito Benjamin Mwaka.